Hello, what's up guys? So in this video I will teach you on how to do the alloy trick on blue equipment, since today is hero day on, let's say, survival. Okay, so as you can see, I already opened 7 chests, so I only use the extra fragments, no? Okay, in these 3 buildings. Okay, and some alley tricks. Okay, so without further ado, let's go to the alley trick, no, on blue equipments. uh Actually, I have still a lot of resources to be used. Okay, like cores, the alloys, fragments, and other stuff. Okay, so this is how you do the alley trick now. So let's say let's find the level 20 blue equipment. So let's say this helmet. Okay, so I have to replace that by new and fresh blue helmet, and then we have to enhance that. Okay, select more up to level 20. Once it reach level 20, so you press this one. Okay, this one, and then you select the uh, level 20 blue equipment. So since this is a helmet, so you should also select the level 20 blue helmet. Okay, then enhance. So as you can see, I received 85k alloy, and at the same time I scored some points in duel. Okay, then repeat the process. So we will replace that by another blue, enhance. Okay, quick select, level 20 minus 1, and then select the level 20 helmet, then enhance. Okay, so that's how you do it, guys. So I hope I learned something from this video, and see you sa ating next video. Bye bye.